Flitz, the premium polishing products. To restore heavy oxidation, apply the Flitz polish and simply buff with the Flitz buff ball. For extreme heavy corrosion, apply aluminum pre-clean first, agitate with brush, and simply rinse, done within 30 seconds. Then apply Flitz polish, and with the right buffing ball using a drill or air tool at a 2000 RPM minimum to obtain that mirror finish. Plus, the ball is washable and reusable. To remove heavy rust and corrosion, apply the Flitz pre-clean first, then rinse. The Flitz buffer will bring stainless steel back in seconds. For exhaust stacks with rust and bluing, use the Flitz polish in combination with the buff ball for immediate results. For fuel tanks, apply the pre-clean, scrub, and rinse. The Flitz buffer is a viscose felt material that won't tear on rough or smooth surface. Flitz even removes rust from stainless and chrome and protects up to 6 months. For pitted and corroded surfaces, use the Flitz pre-clean, agitate, and rinse. What takes hours by hand takes just seconds with the Flitz buff ball. Buff ball is washable up to 10 times. The mini buff ball is used on hard-to-reach areas on your Alcoa wheels. Use the abrasive pad and water to scrub off yellowing and sun-faded plastics. Apply the Flitz polish and buff for 2 or 3 minutes. The buff ball will not create heat that melt paint or plastic and protects to 1 year. The Flitz buffer is a viscose felt material that won't tear on rough or smooth surface. Use the Flitz polish in combination with the buff ball for immediate results. Flitz is safe to restore faded paint and fiberglass. Flitz Magnesium Chloride Remover. This organic formula is specially designed to remove magnesium chloride brine that is applied to roads before it snows. This brine is 10 times more corrosive than salt and eats away at wiring, paint, and polished metals all winter long. The Flitz remover does not attack paint, fiberglass, or chrome finishes. Just spray on, brush, and rinse with water to restore metal to its natural state in seconds. Unlike acids, it can be used on polished aluminum and chrome finishes without dulling. Great for removing rust, corrosion, pitting, brake dust, cement lime, and hard water stains. Watch as the magnesium chloride remover dissolves the mag chloride crystals in seconds, just like Alka-Seltzer. Flitz, the premium polishing products.